Hey guys, so we're cooking a Bengali dish today. It's cauliflower with Bwal curry. Bwal is just a Bengali fish. I think it's called pomfret fish in English. But yeah, so we'll be showing you that recipe today. So you need one large cauliflower chopped up, the pomfret fish, one large onion. We're cooking quite a lot, so we've chopped up loads in one go. Coriander and 3 cloves of garlic. So 3 tablespoons of oil. It looks like a lot, but it's a shallow pot. We've just added some garlic and now we're adding in the onions. 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm just gonna give that a mix. Just gonna cover it up to soften the onions for a little while. And then after a few minutes, just add in a bit of water just to help the onion soften. And if it still hasn't softened enough, just use a potato masher. Add in 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, a 1/4 tablespoon of chilli powder, cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon, and curry powder, 1 tablespoon. It just adds that extra boost in the flavours. Makes it taste really nice. So Mum's just mixing this through. We're just gonna wait until the spices have cooked through a little bit. Add some green chillies. You'll know when the spices have cooked through, when the oil and the water starts to separate. Then you add in a cup of water, but you add in a little bit at a time. Give it a mix and add a bit more. Then you put in your cauliflower florets. Just make sure when you're mixing, all the cauliflower florets have been fully coated in that sauce. Put the lid on and cook for 5 minutes. And then add in your fish. Before I learned how to cook fish, I used to think that you have to add the fish first, but you don't, because fish is really quick to cook. So you add it after, and it breaks really easily if you keep it in for too long. So Mum's just adding 1.5 cups of boiling water, and then she's going to let it cook for a further 15 minutes. And then she's just adding the coriander, and then she's going to cook it on a low gas. And that's it. Just adding a bit more coriander just to finish it off. Just like you guys, I'm still learning how to cook these fish curries and stuff like that from my mum. So whenever I learn, I'm just gonna start recording and putting it out for you guys as well. Make sure you guys like, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, let me know below. And yeah, thanks for watching.